had me out there trying to drive. Even got Samantha trying to drive. Oh God, that's funny. I know Samantha ain't crying. Y'all even got Zay driving. Go Zay, show me how it's done. Oh Lord, these girls cannot drive. Oh, stop crying, Samantha. Big baby. Go Zay. My son's showing all y'all up. Go ahead, Hezzy, show him how it's done. All right, Nene. Go, babe. Go, babe. He said no. Go, Zay, show him how it's done. Got that weave wet. Oh, Lord.
I told him, you're going in the circle because you're not aiming. Oh, my God.
Point it straight.
Aim, get out. Oh, Lord, I ain't coming in there, man. Aim, she keep going in the circle.
The water getting in her eye. Kaya, just turn it straight. Stop turning it.
God.
Kaya, turn it around. Just aim it. Lord, girls can't drive for nothing. Well, you short if you think Daddy getting in that water to save you. Kaya, turn it straight. You got to turn all the way. That's why you're going around in circles. Turn it, straighten it up. You keep going around in circles. Hold it straight. Oh my Lord. Kaya, just turn, let it go straight. Put it in the middle so it could go straight. Oh God. And you talking about driving my truck? Lord. Yeah, you and Samantha belong with each other. You talking about driving my truck? Go ahead, throw it. It's going to break. Don't throw it. All right. It's already wet. Show them how it's done, Hezzy. Show them how to drive. Lord, poor Nene. She's spinning in circles. Oh, God. Look at mommy with my son. Lord.